Whenever I'm in need and I'm looking for help, God, you're always there for me. Wherever you lead me, I can follow you. God, you're always there for me. Oh, God, you're always there for me. Help me believe you know what's best for me. I feel it in my soul when you are in control. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I do what I should do when you help me choose. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Whenever I'm lost and I don't know where to turn, God, you're always there for me. Wherever I go, you're always by my side. God, you're always there for me. Oh, God, you're always there for me. So help me believe you know what's best for me. I feel it in my soul when you are in control. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I do what I should do when you help me choose. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah.
Yeah. God, help us to be more like you. 'Cause your way is the best way.
I feel it in my soul when you are in control. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I do what I should do when you help me choose. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I feel it in my soul when you are in control. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I do what I should do when you help me choose. I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah, I got one life to live and I wanna live it your way. Oh yeah.
Alright, what do I want? Oh, that's okay. That's nice. Well, that's old. Remember to throw that out. What? Ooh, that's nasty! Who put this in here? That's tasty.
Yummy for my tummy.
Welcome to the So-and-So Show. I'm Brandon.
I'm John.
And we are glad that you are hanging out with us today. Mm-hmm. What are you doing?
Oh.
Haven't we all learned our lesson from playing with that universal remote?
¡Ay, santos cielos! ¿Por qué estoy hablando en español?
The words on the screen are not what I'm saying. Look, can you see how that's different? Oh, buddy. I think you rule.
No. I'm not trying to do anything crazy. I'm just... What's this GIB button?
What?
There's this GIBB button. I've never seen it on a remote
No idea.
before.
Can you please put the remote control down? Please put it down.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Sorry.
It's all right. Today's show is all about our words and how we should choose them carefully. John!
Ooh, yub! Yip, yip, ya, ya.
Zippy la la wee wah.
Zup, chup, Lap, lap, flub, blub, blub. Go, Link! Shub, sub, jib, shinkle, shockle.
Chaka-laka zip-zub?
Bryn, san. Shankle, chinkle, drim, drum.
Oh, lapple, wapple, wenny, penny.
Oh, kinkle, winkle. Jimmy, Wimmy, Limmy, Libby, Mabby.
Wub, wub, loopy, zoo, zoo.
Krieg, sinkle, can.
Apple, apple, mean, Gene.
Oh. Oh. Uh-huh. Zoop, Lulu, zippy, loo, woo.
Scoop, blop, blub, blub, blub. Low, zoop, zoop, wenny,
Chipple,
penny.
chapel, crug, rug. Scans, jibble, wibble, dime, keer, bapple.
Hoo-hoo, wobble-dobble. Nab, Jim Jooper.
Clean, sling, gib, jobber. Joot, jot, slan, rankles, pandoot.
Sly. Croon.
Huh. Okay. Peppy, slappy.
Well,
Oh, you're
speaking normal.
Oh, we can understand each other.
know.
We can understand each other.
And you need to put this away.
Yes,
for
I
good.
do.
Thank you.
you know, you should never push the jib button.
I didn't realize it would make us speak gibberish.
What did you think it did?
Made us sound like Barry Gibb.
What you got for us, Kellen?
Today's Bible story is all about our words and the power they have.
Cool.
Yeah.
And I was gonna tell it with a video game. Are you guys in?
We're in.
Perfect. The game is called The Power of Words.
Sounds fun.
Yeah.
In Proverbs 12, verse 18, King Solomon wrote, "The words of thoughtless people cut like swords, but the tongue of wise people brings healing." Our words are so powerful. So when we're careless and we don't think about what we're going to say, they can cause major damage. But if we're thoughtful and select our words wisely, they can do amazing things.
So our mission is to find people and then choose to say a thoughtful word?
That's it.
On it.
Oh, there's a doorway. Go over there. Go over there. Right there. There's a door.
I'm going.
Oh, okay. I wonder what this weird old graybeard has to say. Are you here to make fun of me too and call me weird old graybeard like other people do? Whoops. I'm only 20 and I have a long gray beard. That doesn't make me weird or old. But I didn't mean to.
I think we're supposed to choose our words carefully now. So,
Okay, what did we say?
I don't know, probably what you would want to hear if you were that person.
I'm sorry. People call me names sometimes too. It doesn't feel great. It's nice to know someone understands.
Yeah!
We did it!
Well done. Sometimes the most thoughtful thing you can say to someone is, "I'm sorry," or "I understand where you're coming from." Keep going.
Take the top path. The top path.
I'm going.
Take that top path.
I am.
Oh, okay. Oh, go talk to that guy over there. That
Would
guy
you
right there.
please
See-
let me do this?
Yeah. Hello, I'm Uno.
Well, I got this one. Move. You're blocking the stairs.
Boo hoo. No one ever wants to talk to me. They just want to go down the stairs.
Oh, no, Uno, come back.
Thoughtful words, Brandon.
I know,
Thoughtful
I'm
words.
sorry, I wasn't thinking.
It's okay. None of us are perfect with our words all the time. but we definitely should try and think before we speak. Why don't you guys try one more board?
Okay.
Go down the stairs. Go down the stairs. There's stairs right there.
Obviously, I'm going.
Okay. Hello, I'm Bananas. What do you want?
Maybe you better take this one.
Hello, Bananas. How is your day today? None of your business. Hey! Why, you little...
Wait, John. You never know what kind of day someone could be having. Let's think before we type.
You're right. Well, Bananas, I just wanted to tell you, I think your name is really cool. Oh, that's so nice. I was having a bad day, but now I feel better. Here's a bag of gold.
Yeah!
We did it!
Guys, that was so great. You used thoughtful words even when the person you were talking to wasn't very thoughtful. You were right. We don't know what kind of day other people are having. And sometimes our words can make a huge difference in someone's day and in someone's life.
Sometimes our words get us free gold.
I mean, I guess that's possible, but it probably shouldn't be your only reason for using kind words.
Got it.
Remember the verse. The words of thoughtless people cut like swords, but the tongue of wise people brings healing.
Thanks, Kellen.
Yeah, and thanks for the batteries.
Zlub, yub, yib, yib. I'm just kidding. I'll see you guys next time.
I think it's time to reveal the question. How can words make things better?
I think words can help explain things or help someone understand.
Words can also tell someone how you feel or tell them how they could help.
You know, when we were stuck speaking gibberish earlier, all I wanted was to be understood. You know, it's amazing how many people just want to hear those simple words. I hear you.
It's true. So many arguments and misunderstandings could be turned down a few notches if just a few thoughtful words were used.
Yeah, well, here's a thoughtful word for you, Brandon. Good show.
Thank you, John. I hear you, and I understand where you're coming from. And that's the So-and-So Show, everyone.
It hits right there in the heart. It feels good. Bop, stoop, bop, lee bop.
Come, Papa.
Oh,
No, clip here.
Kandosha babala.
Happily plumbing, could they people to buy your mananimal? Fling.
Blow, blow, la cat. Oh, blabba, blabba. Blabba, blabba, blabba.